Hello, everyone. Today, I'll walk you through how to add different payment methods to your Coinbase account. Let's dive right in. Adding payment methods to Coinbase. 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Go to coinbase.com and log in. After logging in, you'll land on the Coinbase homepage. 2. Access payment methods. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Payment Methods. 3. Add a payment method. Click the Add a Payment Method button. A list of available options will appear based on your location. 4. Choose your preferred payment method. Bank transfers, ideal for larger transactions. Options like SEPA payments are available for European users, offering instant buying and selling. Credit or debit cards. You can use Visa or MasterCard for smaller transactions. Simply enter your card details and verify ownership. PayPal, widely used globally. To add, select PayPal, confirm your account, and follow the instructions. Other region-specific options may also be available, like easy bank transfers in some European countries. Hash tips. If you're investing small amounts, a debit or credit card is quick and convenient. For larger transactions, using a bank transfer or PayPal might be better suited. That's all for today. I hope this guide helps you add payment methods effortlessly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more handy tutorials. See you next time. Cheers.